Hello, welcome to our channel. We're doing an unboxing video of an Astro 10-piece tool set. These are supposed to be for a snap ring plier set. It's a 10-piece. Here we are cutting the package open. Astro Pneumatic Tool Company 10-piece snap ring plier set. Comes in a nice case right here. And the price on this set is close to $40 for a 10-piece set, compared to the close to $80 on the Icon set from Harbor Freight. With a manual and all these guys right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. What's that supposed to be?
0.090 tip.
Okay, they tell you the tips on here. Here's another one, 0.070.
0.90s.
0.90, 70,
70.
70, 47, 47,
38.
38, and 38.
And then these.
Then you have these guys right here. And hopefully, for my purpose, I'm going to be using this guy right here. Most likely you'll be able to take this guy off and put it right here as well. So you can make it external and internal. So we'll see if we can take out that snap ring on the 06 Ford F-250 front axle. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and comment below.